Hi traders, it's Anthony here. In this video I'm going to share with you how I trade the pound dollar. We have these alerts here. This is a 4-hour chart. What I'm looking for is when this fires. I've actually got them firing on a 1 minute over here at the moment. But when this fires, we look at where it fired was here. I'm looking for the retest and fail of this level, or if it pulls back up in here of this previous low. So in this case we had the retest and fail here. Okay, so that would have been an opportunity. Now this is a 4-hour chart. The other thing is, after this fires, you can actually get the same signal on 5 or a 3-minute chart. And as long as you know that this is fired and we're in it, you know, I mean, this is, you can see the direction of this channel here. The lower time frame will give you the opportunity, most likely there. Watch it on the 4-hour, and you want to be looking for, mainly looking for opportunities when it trades back into the mean to short it, and then on the lower time frame go for the same signal. I don't want to get too complex with this. Let's just keep it simple. I think what I want to point out is, see the signal where it fires. Notice that there's no other triangles all the way. Okay, this gives us in many cases a reversal. Okay, there it is, and this is the breakout with more conviction, given that we're pulling out of this range low break of structure generally. Yeah, and I mean it fires and we just simply come in and we're looking for, now there's the breakout signal, we're looking left, pull a line through and retest and fail, and we're away. Again, on the lower time frame we're going to receive a signal here, here, most likely here, definitely probably around here. Well, it'll fire once you're away from, you know, like, you're not going to see the green signal here, but you will get it up here. Okay, so it's once we kind of come out of these lows. As you see here, I mean, this is what you'll see on a 1 minute time frame. So it gives you the opportunity then to enter all the way, trade this all the way home pretty much, and enjoy the ride. If we go back, I don't know, I think I've counted 10, but you know what I mean? Like, I mean, look at this opportunity. Seriously, why wouldn't you want that? The signal fires, we come in and we get organized. There it is. Where's the previous swing low? Right here. The signal fired here. That was it. That was, you know, we look down. A retest, that there's a high we can look at. Retest and fail. Pull back into the mean. It's all there. This is a 4-hour chart, and I mean that's some serious money we're talking. Okay, another signal here. Okay, the pullback, there's the previous high, retest and fail. Okay, we'll see it on the lower time frame. You'll see this base forming, and then and it'll give you the green signal here. It'll give you the green signal here, and then we take it. Another trade, and yeah, this one over here, retest. I've gone back 10 of these, and there's a 10 out of 10 win rate with it. There's no question. We can see very, very clearly whether this is painting or non-repainting. It's just not an issue. If the signal is there, it'll stick after the candle, but we're looking for quite some time after the signal before we enter the trade to pull back into the mean, and I mean that's profitable. There it is. So trading the pound dollar, this is my approach. We've just had our indicators back from our developer. I've set up a whole bunch of 1 minute time frame alerts, but I'm looking for, now I want these 4-hour alerts. Look at this. I mean, seriously, guys, have a look at the link in the description below and go to my website. It's traderanthony.com. We're looking for the previous high, pull it through. And the other way you can do this is just grab a fib and go for the fib entry. You get plenty of time, and there's your fib. Ideal entry is going to be, I've got this marked out in my yellow zone through here. Yeah, I mean 4-hour time frame, and you want to give yourself a bit of room, maybe 2 times the ATR. We've got the ATR, by the way, down here, 2 times the ATR. But you don't need that actually. We've got everything you need on the chart pretty much. Let's see if there's any more. I think that might be the last one. Anyway, I went back 10. We had 10 winners. Working out our stop loss level is incredibly simple. It's right here on the chart. So where's the break? See this level? Well, this is a weekly level here, this orange line. But we've got these green dots. That's our stop loss, and this white line here. These indicators are all based on variations of the average true range calculation. See how they kind of hug each other? So your stop loss, conveniently, if that's your entry here, your stop loss is simply going to sit down here, and then it's going to follow. And if you want to, you can pull your stop loss up into the inner level here. So once you're tracking up here, you know, you could be trailing this here. That got taken out there. I mean, if you left your stop loss out here, you'd have more. Up to you, you work it out. But look, you know, once you've gained a bit of ground, pull your stop loss up to better than break even, and enjoy the ride. Look, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Pound dollar, that's my approach. I'm going to be setting my 4-hour alert now, and I'll be posting the opportunities, you know, when I get them. So, I mean, if you get a signal, then that's right. It's a red signal. So we're looking for the red signal on the lower time frame all the way, and we're just going to milk this for everything it's worth. All right, guys, check my website out. Check my YouTube channel. I'm doing daily videos on my strategy. Gain access. There's a 1 week 7-day free trial. Try it out, see how you go. With that, take care. See you in the next video.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.